So how to use LiveStatus app, share your life. So yeah, this is the app which you can explore, especially with friends and with your partner, with your family. It's an exclusive app for recording with daily moments and building private love space. That's how they describe themselves. So here the idea is that you can share live status with your friends with this app and just get some feedback. It says you can also see the music they are listening to, keep track of the time you have been together, and receive reminders of your anniversary. It provides you with an experience that feels like face-to-face communication. Then you can also install home lock screen widgets. You couples can send their photos on each other's phone home screen, allowing your lover to see you at any time. Lower map mode, you can. There is also a newly added feature with the map, which allows you and your partner to get each other's location. There are different mission challenges. You can communicate with the most advanced and professional tarot masters online 24 hours a day. In LiveStatus, you will have a sweet, fun, and delightfully surprising dating experience. But also, it can be used for just for friends. This app is one of the alternatives for Locket
Hello,
or
how are you
for
feeling
Noted
today?
widget app.
I've been feeling
Like in Locket app, you can add your friends and create home screen widgets and send photos to each other's. In Noted app, you can just send some quick notes or drawings. In this app, I think you can do both. Then also, I think you can send videos and so yeah, here you can just add this widget. Okay, it just starts from the settings that I need to add it to the lock screen. This is their new feature. So just to add it to the lock screen, I just need to tap widgets and then I need to add live status. So here I can see status widget. I can get my friends status updates. There is Lower Pro widget. So all types of widgets which you like, you can just tap to install it. Then just tap done, for example. And then finally, then you will just be able to use this app. Then it kind of looks similar to Locket widget. So the idea is that you can upload photos or you can take a photo yourself. You can choose your status. That's whatever you like, or it's it's optional. And then you just basically can send it to your friends. Like just send it. And then what happens, this photo then actually appears in the chat, but then it will also appear in the widget. So you need to install also home screen widget. Just you need to go and live status. So here is the widget. You can select the types of widgets you like and just tap done, and then you will see that photo appearing here. So that's, as you can see here, now it just appears. So that's, imagine that's your friend home screen, and then they will see this widget appearing there. So yeah, something like that, and then you can just see three dots. Yeah, you can just manage these chats, and that's basically the idea. So camera, you can then just also draw things. You can send some text notes. You can upload photos from camera roll. So this app is pretty cool because it just combines all these features of Locket, of Noted, and some other apps. Because like in Locket, you can only send live photo. It's not possible to upload from camera roll. In Noted, you can only send drawings. Here, it's just everything combined, and you can also, as I understand, add unlimited friends, which can be complicated to do in other apps. So I don't know what this stuff is. Okay, so now you can just enable some kind of filters if you want. Then you just have your friends. You can see if you want to add friends, you can just search then by username here, like whatever. Then you can just see like your account. You can see your code and then just invite persons. So here, for example, you can see my code and then you can just link another person to just enter Laura's code, and that's how you invite other person to the app. And then you just have something like this. That's your account. Then there are your coins, which you can get coins. You can also get some coins by watching ads, or you can buy like 25 coins by $3. Sorry, no contents here. So yeah, for some reason it just pushes me to watch the ad, which is quite annoying. But yeah, then you can just use these coins for some advanced features. I don't know if there are a lot of limitations in this app, but yeah, like without coins. But let's just explore which other features you can try out. Like, sorry for this annoying app. And then so then I got 1 coin, pretty cool. And then then if you want, you can upgrade. But before you need to upgrade, you need to actually invite person to this app. And then you can just just have all the statuses. You can have some like different types of widgets which are describing your mood, your partner mood, counter how many days you are together, phone status. You can see like the like if the battery is charged and all of this. Then you can complete some challenges together. So these are all things you can kind of do together. Then if you don't like the app, you can just tap and delete your account. You can download your information. So yeah, these are the features which you can try to use. So pretty interesting app. And if you like apps like Locket or Noted Widget, definitely give a try to this app as well. It has a lot of features. Maybe it's even too many features, because some apps are like quite focused, like Locket is just has one feature of sending images. Noted has feature of sending notes. Here is just everything. Also, as you can see, you can create a group together, and there are lock screen widgets, there are home screen widgets. So try it out.